Welcome to ExportSite Module 3, Setting the ExportSite Options. During this tutorial, you will learn how to set the administrative options and the export options. The administrative options is used by the administrator to configure the advanced settings. The export options is used by the user to customize the export options, export instructions, character limitation, and archive options. To set the administrative options, navigate to the Tools button on the ExportSite toolbar and select the Admin options. The Map File Headers is the default tab. It is used to organize the mapping CSV file and set the custom column names. Select a custom field, then enter a custom header name in the Rename To column. This column name will show as a column header in the exported report. Click the Filter Worksite tab. The Filter Worksite tab is used to set the documents that will be exported. Select a custom field, then enter a filter name in the Filter By column. Next, click the Archive Fields tab. The Archive Fields tab is used to set the mapping between the source database and the destination database. Select a field, then select a location from the Map To column. Next, click the SQL Info tab. The SQL Info tab should be configured if the ExportSite scheduler will be used. Finally, click the File Types tab. The File Types tab is used to select a filter to include or exclude certain doc types. From the Doc Types column, select a doc type. Then select the filter to include or exclude. Click Save to close the admin options. To set the ExportSite options, navigate to the Tools button on the ExportSite toolbar and select Options. To customize your export, select any of the following options. Export for CD/DVD format. This option exports all documents to a single folder using Joliet standards. A map file depicting the original folder structure will be available in the destination folder. This option will not be enabled when exporting documents only. Lock document after export. This option allows the user to check the document out to make changes, yet the document remains locked in iManage. Once changes are made, the revised document can be checked back into iManage. Set to read only. This option sets the default security for the documents to read only in iManage. Declare as record at source. This option declares documents as records in iManage so the documents cannot be edited. Expand nodes. This option allows the user to expand the source workspaces to show the folders and documents. Recreate folder structure. This option recreates the folder tree selected from the source. It will be disabled if the Export for CD/DVD format option is selected. Allow for 106 characters. This option limits the number of characters in the file name to 106 in order to comply with specific format standards. Create empty folders. This option creates empty folders in the destination. It will be enabled if the Recreate Folder Structure option is selected. Export folders only. This option exports the folder structure only. It does not export documents within folders. Filter search folders. This option removes the search folders to avoid duplications. Export all versions. This option enables all versions of the selected document to be exported. File name format. This option allows the user to select the format in which the file name will be displayed. To customize the export instructions, select any of the following options. Export with map file. This option exports a mapping instruction file which shows the selected metadata. It also enables the use explicit path, append to map file format, and map file location options. Use explicit path. This option adds the drive letter to the Windows export location in the map file. Append to map file. If a map file already exists, this option will append the file with the metadata from the new export. Map file format. This option allows the user to select an XML or CSV format for the map file. Map file location. This option allows the user to select the location where the map file will be saved. To customize the character limitation and archive options, select any of the following options. Catch all folder name. This option allows ExportSite to create a catch-all folder name for all documents once the 240 character limit is met. Documents action upon archive. This option allows the user to select to copy or move the documents into the destination. Workspaces action upon archive. This option allows the user to select to copy or move the workspaces into the destination. Declare as record at destination. Once the documents migrate to a workspace database, this option declares the documents as records in iManage, so the documents cannot be edited. Click Apply to save the changes. This concludes ExportSite Module 3. For more information about ExportSite or other GDSI products, please visit us on the web at www.gdsi.com.